This is a red standard Troy the Tractor Kiddie ride by Jolly Roger.
Thank you. Hold on tight. Here we go.
Filming it because we've moved it. Can't really fit in this one. But you can want to use it for trial services because it's gone and been replaced as nothing. It used to be down there in the land of Pharaohs, made from Jolly Roger in 2004 under no licence. I'm going to film the yellow one. It's going to be supposed to be tuning it's going to be his PM, and the white and blue one, Fancy Island. And that was the red standard Troy the Tractor Kiddie ride by Jolly Roger, sighted at Wheelgate Park in Farnsfield.